Assalamualaikum and good day to my fellow lecturer, Dr. Ahsan Akila. My name is Nur Shahidah Binti Muhammad. Today we would like to present our industrial visit at Crescent Gear Solutions in Durian Berhad. Crescent Gear Solutions in Durian Berhad was established in 2014 as a 100% Malaysian Bumiputra-owned private limited company. The company specializes in the manufacturing and servicing of gearboxes, gears, and industrial spare parts. In addition, it provides design, re-engineering, refurbishment, and training services. Crescent Gear Solutions serves various heavy industries across Malaysia and is committed to delivering precise, high quality, and reliable engineering solutions guided by its philosophy of research, precise, and quality. Company background. Crescent Gear Solutions in Durian Berhad is a private limited company that was incorporated on the 26th of May 2014. It is a 100% Malaysian, Bumiputra-owned company and is registered with the Ministry of Finance. The company operates from Klang Selangor, where both its office and factory are located under one roof. The core business of Crescent Gear Solutions focuses on the manufacturing and servicing of gearboxes, gears, and industrial spare parts for various industrial sectors. The company specializes in gearbox and gear manufacturing, engineering of gear systems, refurbishment and overhaul of industrial gearboxes, spare parts fabrication, and training in gear technology and maintenance. The company is supported by strong engineering capabilities, including in-house research and development, licensed 3D design software, vibration analysis, precision measurement, and advanced gear manufacturing facilities. These capabilities enable Crescent Gear Solutions to deliver precise and high-quality engineering solutions. Crescent Gear Solutions serve a wide range of industries such as power generation, cement and mining, oil and gas, ports and maritime, steel mills, water treatment, palm oil mills, and fertilizer industries. As of December 2025, the company has a workforce of 23 personnel comprising management staff, engineers, designers, draftsmen, machinists, technicians, and supporting staff. Guided by its philosophy of research, precise, and quality, Crescent Gear Solutions has built a strong reputation since 2014 through successful troubleshooting, refurbishment, and upgraded gearbox solutions for major industrial clients. Overall, the company provides comprehensive and reliable gearbox solution by integrating experience, skilled manpower, and advanced manufacturing technology under one roof.
Thank you, Saida. For example, my name is Belantai Jalan Alabang. So right now we will explain the manufacturing process and product step used by CGS in producing the gear and mechanical component. So the first process, they will begin with the design and engineering. So at this stage, customer requirement are analysis by the engineer. So for the engineer to perform the gear analysis to determine the safety factor and the expected lifetime of the component. So then they will do the 3D CAD model is create or an existing design is re-engineered to meet the requirements specification for the gear. So for the next is the material preparation. So they will find the suitable raw material selected based on the strength and application. The material are then cut into the required size and undergo an initial inspection to ensure there are no defect before machining. So for the material, they will use the aluminium 6061. So for the next process, they will come with the machining process. So operations such as turning and milling are carried out from the basic shape. More specialist process like gear hobbing, shaping, and CNC bevel cutting are used to produce accurate gear teeth and complex geometry. After the machining complete, the next process they will do the finishing. So for the finishing, they do to get it right. Grinding process include the gear grinding, cylindrical grinding, and surface grinding are performed to achieve high precision, tight tolerance, and a smooth surface finish of the gear. So for the last manufacturing process, they will do the quality control is connected to the gear. So For the quality control, they will do the dimensional measurement of taken to ensure the accuracy for the gear, and advanced methods such as furrow scanning for the gear and vibration analysis are used to verify alignment, balance, and overall quality before the component is approved. So that the manufacturing process that undergo for the gear to the, before we sell it to our customer. So next is I will talk about the production step for the company CSC. So for the step one, the first one, they will do the production planning, because for the production planning, they will do the job scheduling and resources allocation are arranged to ensure machine, manpower, and material are used efficiently. The second step is they will do the component preparation. Like I said, all individual part such as the gears, shaft, and housing are prepared and made ready for assembly. So the material they have to have the material like aluminum 6061 is already prepared for the gear that they produce. So step number 3 is assembly. So during this test, the gear and the shaft are assembled together. Bearing and the planetary system are installed, followed by the proper lubrication and precise alignment to ensure the gear will do the smooth operation. So for the step number 4 is testing. So and the in-house no-load test is performed to check the running condition of the gear, noise, and the vibration are measured to detect any imbalance or defect of the gear. The final step will be the delivery and support. So delivery support, all passing system finished product is delivered to the customer with an case support provided is needed. So in summary, like I said, CSC follow a systematic starting from design, material preparation, machining, finishing, and quality control QC, and followed by the structure production step for the planning until delivery. So that's all for my explanation about manufacturing process and step production. Thank you.
Hi, so thank you, and I will move to the design concept and quality assurance practice. For design concept, this company have 4 main design concept. The first one is precision, where the design they manufactured will have the accurate gear size and profile. Profile which mean the tooth profile and the dimension of the gear, and they will manufacture it with the lower tolerance to make it more accurate. Then the second one is reliability, to ensure the long lifetime for the gear, where instead the gear only have 2 or 3 years lifetime, they will make it more lifetime with the minor maintenance. Then the third one is safety. The design will have the higher safety factor, so the R&D or engineering department there will should choose the material based on the functional of the gear. So they will have some kind of the research to ensure the safety factor is based on the customer need. Then the fourth one is customization. The design is based on the customer need. Like we know they have the different type of the customer. So when the different type of customer, they have the different design of the gear and design different function. So based on their machining, based on their capability, they can make the design based on the customization of the customer. For their service, which is the designing, re-engineering, and the refurbishment, it very helpful for ensure the design concept, like I mentioned before, can be used or can make it happen. Then they also specialize in 3D CAD design software for production. It will benefit more because of we know 3D CAD design software can help us very much for their simulation, to know where the stress need, where the strength of the material, so we can simulate the product, we can design them. So with this specialized, they can make the design concept is achievable. Then we will move to the quality assurance practice. They have three practice used, which is the first one is dimensional and tooth profile inspection, surface finish and hardness checking, and the third one is functional test run before delivery. Like we see at the picture right there, the work employee there right now is measure the gear dimension, outer dimension, to ensure the tolerance and the dimension is still in the specification before the delivery to the customer. So next, we will move to the product manufactured in this company. They have four: gear pinion, gear helical, gear pin, and gear spiral. This product manufactured is a few product that manufactured in this company. They have other more, but I mentioned this four because the gear is based on the company, and this four is commonly they manufactured. The product manufactured, they not manufactured this gear from nothing to this gear, but they got the raw material from supply and manufactured it to be like this by their machining tool and their device. Okay, so next, this is their client use of the gear that supply from this company. Like we see at the video, the gear will be assembled in the gearbox, and they have the many type of the industry use this gear, like for power generation and for the mining industry, for fertilizer, cement, and also steel mill industry. So the gear, we know this industry very large industry, so they require a very high precision, high accuracy, and high strength of the gear. So this CGS company they have the very high talented employee and high machinery tools to provide the gear that the customer need. Thank you.
Thank you, Raja. Next, I am Narjanatul Amira binti Muhammad Zawadi will present about a problem and challenge that we observed during industrial visit. First, product defect. During our industrial visit, we observed that one of the main challenges in gear manufacturing is product defect. Some gears show incurrency in tooth profile after the gear hobbing process, while surface burn and minor crack were found after gear grinding. These defects are mainly caused by tool wear, manual machine setup, and limited in-process inspections. As a result, the gear may produce noise during operations and have a shortened service life, that leading to increased rework and production costs. Another issue, machine downtime. Production is often interrupted during hob replacement, grinding wheel dressing, and machine alignment. This happens because most of the machines are conventional and require manual adjustment. Next, production efficiency was long setup times are required when changing gear size or specifications, and repeated inspections are needed between each process. The gear grinding stage often becomes a bottleneck because of the strict tolerance requirement. Safety is also a major concern in the manufacturing process. Operators are exposed to rotating machine parts, sharp cutting tools, and grinding spark. If not properly controlled, this can increase the risk of workplace accident and injuries. The last one is human error. Incorrect machine setting, misalignment during setup, and error in manual measurement can affect product quality. Since conventional machine relies heavily on operator skill and experience, inconsistency in workmanship can occur. Next, I'm going to present about discussion and analysis. Suggestion for improvement is manufacturing technology. To improve manufacturing accuracy and consistency, the company can upgrade selected conventional machines to CNC lathe and CNC milling machine. CNC gear hobbing can also be introduced to produce more accurate and consistent gear tooth profile. Next is process improvements can be achieved by standardizing machine setup procedure and implemented in process inspection at critical stage of productions. Our discussion is comparison with other manufacturing technologies. When compared to advanced manufacturing technology, conventional machines relies heavily on operator skill and require longer setup time. Advanced CNC and automated systems provide higher dimensional accuracy, shorter setup time. Therefore, adopting advanced manufacturing technology can significantly improve productivity and process reliability. Next is recommendation is to reduce product defect. The company can implement statistical process control to monitor manufacturing variations. Advanced inspection tools such as coordinate measuring machines or laser scanning can improve inspections accuracy. Regular monitoring can also help maintain consistent product quality. Production efficiency can be improved by applying preventive maintenance planning to reduce machines breakdown. Best scheduling for similar gear types can help reduce setup time. Next, workplace safety can be enhanced by installing additional machine guard and safety sensor on critical equipment. Proper use of personal protective equipment, especially during grinding operations, should be strictly enforced. The use of crane, trolleys, and lifting aids can also reduce manual handling risk and improve operator safety. Our analysis is other potential products using the same process. Use the same manufacturing processes and machines, the company can also produce a variety of other products such as spill gear, helical gear, pinion shaft, spinnacle shaft, and gear coupling. This allows the company to diversify its product range without significant additional investment. In summary, upgrading manufacturing technology, optimizing production processes, and improving safety measures can significantly reduce defect and improve efficiency. By continuously improve its manufacturing practice, the company can enhance product quality, workplace safety, and overall competitiveness in gear manufacturing industry. That's all from me. I will pass this to next presenter.
Moving to continuous quality improvement or CQI, which we observed during our visit to Crescent Gear Solution. So first, looking at improvement to process or product, we believe CGS could benefit from IoT integration, adding sensor to machine like the gear hobbing and grinding equipment to monitor performance in real time. They could also introduce automated inspection system using AI vision to work alongside their Ferro scanner for faster defect detection. And moving from paper-based instruction to digital work guide on tablet could really reduce error during assembly. Next, problems faced and possible solution. So we noticed long setup time for small production batches. This could be improved with quick change tooling and fixture. They still use manual quality record, which could be digitalized using barcode tracking to prevent mistake. Also, heat management and during grinding is challenge. Adding better coolant system and thermal sensor could help. And there's a skill gap with operating advanced CNC gear machines. So, developing house VR training module could upskill their team faster. Finally, suggestion for better efficiency and quality. We recommend lean manufacturing practice like 5S to organize the workspace. They could use predictive maintenance, based vibration data from their test rigs, and creating a structure customer feedback loops would help them improve design based on real world use. So this improvement align well with modern manufacturing technology trends, especially data driven and connected system. So in conclusion, the visit provide a value real-world insight into manufacturing technology. We saw a range of CNC and conventional machines from Taiwan, Japan, Germany, and the USA in operation from gear hobbing and shaping to grinding and dynamic balancing. We also observed assembly process testing, procedure, and quality control system that are critical in gear manufacturing. This experience help us connect our coursework in machining, tolerance, and production system with industry practice. We thank to Crescent Gear Solution for demonstrating how technology, skills, and continuous improvement come together into a manufacturing environment.